Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will talk about how green tea can benefit your health. Green tea comes from the same plant as black tea. The difference is that green tea leaves have not withered or become oxidized. It originally came from China, but it is now consumed all over Asia and, indeed, the rest of the world. It gets its name because when brewed this tea produces a green drink. You can drink it hot-cold, depending on the weather. In winter, there's nothing like a cup of hot this tea flavored with lemon. You can add sugar, but honey is a much better, healthier sweetener. Allegedly, this type of tea is the healthiest drink on earth. It is bursting with antioxidants that can combat the cancer-causing free radicals in our bodies. Antioxidants help to keep our skin youthful-looking and help retain the skin's elasticity. They can stave off wrinkles and crow's feet around the eyes. Green tea contains powerful antioxidant that fights DNA damage from UV rays to prevent skin cancer. That means it is also a potent anti-aging ingredient that combats signs of aging when ingested or applied topically. Green tea is a powerful antibacterial agent for treating acne and unclogging pores. It has been observed that apart from drinking green tea, its usage on hair helps in improving the texture of hair as well as prevents hair loss. The presence of polyphenols in green tea helps in promoting hair regrowth and is great for hair follicles. According to studies, this type of tea improves the blood flow and lowers levels of cholesterol. It can also help to prevent a number of health issues, including high blood pressure and heart problems. What is good for the heart is usually good for the brain. Your brain needs healthy blood vessels, too. This almost miracle drink may also prevent Alzheimer's disease. It also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels in people who have diabetes. There is not just one variety of green tea, but several. It is grown at high altitudes in the mountainous regions of East Asia, higher than the ones where black tea grows. Japan's sencha tea is highly prized, and it can certainly be of top quality. However, there are different grades of this tea and these are reflected in its price. You can buy the tea in the form of leaves, as well as in tea bags. For fresher green tea, choose whole loose leaves. They can be stored in an airtight container to preserve their freshness. Tannin is also present in green tea, so if this upsets your digestive system, avoid it. Tannin can adversely affect the levels of iron in the body. Do not drink green tea immediately after you have eaten food that is rich in iron, such as liver or broccoli. You might think that green tea is caffeine-free, but it is not. So if you have problems with caffeine, give it a miss. Unlike when making black tea, you should not pour still boiling water on the green leaves. Leave the water to cool a little before making your brew. You should really give this drink a try, and when you sweeten it with honey, your body will respond positively. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe to Wellbeing Lifestyle channel for more videos.